Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable notification preview on lock screen on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, open up the settings app. In the settings page, you want to scroll down and tap on notifications. Next, tap on Show Previews. Then in here, to always show the notification preview, you can select Always, or you can choose When Unlocked or Never. Okay, so let's say I have chose Always. You can see here on my lock screen. At the moment, I do not have any notifications. So here I'm going to send myself a text. So here I'll send myself a text. And you can see here on my lock screen, you can see it shows a notification with a preview of the text at the bottom. Now if I go in here and switch it off, so I go into settings and select never, this will essentially turn off the preview in my lock screen. So here I'm going to text myself the word test. And this time it shows the notification, but it's said text message. It does not show the content of that notification. And that's it. So that is on the lock screen. And you can also have your phone unlocked. Sometimes you can have your phone unlocked, but not necessarily on the home screen. So in that case, you can choose when unlocked. So when your phone is unlocked, it can show the notification content. And that is how you can enable or disable notification preview on the lock screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.